Horses out, Endless Rose, Market Value, Director's Play in the middle, Rochelle's Gift, isa pa. Isabel comes next, Heron, Director's Strength Club, Champion is the Electric. We have Endless Rose, the leader by about 3 lengths, Market Value, Director's Play, Rochelle's Gift. Isa pa is down in 3, pen in 6, now is Director's Astra, Isabel. Heron and Club Champion still racing in less. As our leader, that's Endless Rose by about 4 lengths. Market Value, Rochelle's Gift now in 3rd. Director's Play in 4th. Director's Astra in 5th. Isa pa is down in 6th, 7th, Isabel, Heron, and Club Champion still racing in this. That is still Endless Rose by about 2 lengths. Market Value, Rochelle's Gift, Director's Play. Here comes Isa pa coming closer in favor. Endless Rose, Market Value, Rochelle's Gift. Now are outside to take the leader. It's now Rochelle's Gift. Endless Rose, Director's Play now in 2nd, Market Value. Isa pa remains in favor with Rochelle's Gift. Now by about 5 lengths, Director's Play, Market Value. Isa pa. Last 75 meters, and it's still Rochelle's Gift over Director's Play, Market Value. Isa pa. Entering the finish line, it's all number 9, that's Rochelle's Gift. Second is Director's Play, Market Value, isa pa, Isabel, and Endless Rose.
Okay, Bayang Galilista, your favorite Rochelle's Gift po ang unang tumawid sa ating meta. Siya po ang ating unofficial winner. Masa segundo dyan, yung numero 6, Director's Play, numero 4, Market Value, numero 8, isa pa. Yan po ang ating unofficial winner.